Very good morning, student. After the rational number and exponent, we have to discuss about our topic is properties of quadrilateral. Okay, this is the properties of quadrilateral. It is a part of the word geometry. Okay, so today we have to discuss about the geometry, and the first topic is the first chapter of the geometry, properties of quadrilateral. 12th chapter you have to given in your textbook, properties of quadrilateral. In this properties of quadrilateral, what you have to learn? See here, students. These four topics you have to given. Which one? Curve, polygons, angles of property, and fourth one is the special types of quadrilateral. Okay, very simple topic you have to given in this chapter. Okay, and student, our first topic is about curve. Okay, what is a curve? Suppose we have to take the, for example, this is a pencil. Okay, so this pencil we have to put on any point. Okay, then we have to draw the figure as a figure without lifting a pencil. विदाउट लिफ्टिंग अ पेंसिल मीन्स उसको उठाना नहीं है. एक बार आपने उस पे रख दिया, एनी पॉइंट यू हैव टू पुट द पेंसिल और चॉक और पेन, एनीथिंग. ओके, विदाउट लिफ्टिंग वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द दिस फिगर. इट इज अ कर्व. इट इज अ व्हिच टाइप ऑफ कर्व वी हैव टू गिवन इन दिस लेसन. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ सी हियर स्टूडेंट. फर्स्ट इज अ simple curve. What is meant by the simple curve? See here the definition. Curve that do not intersect themselves are called simple curve. Means simple definition. What is that? Simple curve की simple definition. Curve that do not intersect themselves. What is the meaning of that? Means ऐसे curve, these types of curve, there are the do not intersect. What is that? Do not intersect themselves. Means वो जो उसके curve intersect नहीं होना चाहिए. This called as are called as the simple curve. For example, these types of figure. ठीक है? Suppose we have to draw. यहाँ पे हमने एक point रखा. Can I lift my this chalk? No. Lift किया क्या मैंने? No. So we have to form. ये intersect हुआ क्या? This is the figure. This is the. It is this given figure is not intersect themselves. So this figure it is called as a what? Simple curve. This figure is called as a simple curve, and it is also called as closed curve. So what is the definition of simple curve? Curve that do not intersect themselves, it is called as a simple curve. For example, these types of figure. You have to say that it is a closed curve. Because why it is not a closed curve? Because these are the intersect each other. That's why it is not a simple. Sorry, it is not a simple curve. Understand, student? Next curve is a closed curve. Okay. So what is a closed curve? A curve which has no end point, enclosed an area, are called closed curve. Okay. This figure, see here. There is a no end point. यहाँ पे end point है किसका? This is the enclosed area. एरिया को कवर कर रहा है. This is called as a what? Closed curve. Means the closed curve means the closed का meaning पता है. There is a this types of figure. This also the it is also the closed curve. यहाँ पे कोई open दिख रहा है क्या कोई भी part? Any no one the part is a open. So this is the closed curve. और it is also the it has no end point. यहाँ पे end point दिख रहा है क्या उसका? कोई भी है क्या इस फिगर में? इसका भी तो एंड पॉइंट दिख रहा है क्या? दिस ऑल द थ्री फिगर्स, दिस फिगर ए, दिस फिगर बी एंड दिस फिगर सी, दिस ऑल द थ्री फिगर्स इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? क्लोज्ड कर्व. ओके, एंड सी अ स्टूडेंट दिस फिगर आल्सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज ऑल्सो दिस क्लोज्ड कर्व इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ सिंपल कर्व. बट what there is a one condition you have to give on. What is that? Closed curve, simple closed curve it is called as a closed curve is called as a simple closed figure when it does not pass through one point more than once. Means the what? एक अगर ये जो point आपने start किया, ठीक है, तो ये जो point है ये intersect नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कोई भी figures intersect? No. So that is called as a what? It is also the this types of figure. It is called as a what? Simple closed figure and simple closed curve and also the closed curve. And this figure, see here, ये इंटरसेक्ट है, इसको बोलेंगे क्या आप सिंपल क्लोज फिगर? नो, बिकॉज देयर पॉइंट इज इंटरसेक्टिंग, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज आल्सो द क्लोज कर्व. इट इज आल्सो द क्लोज कर्व विथ सिंपल कर्व एंड इट इज आल्सो द what? Closed curve. This type of we have to given the concept of closed curve. Okay, student? Next one is a last one is a open curve. Okay, so what is meant by the open curve? Open curve means a curve that does not completely enclose an area. Means जो उसका area होता है वो close नहीं होता, जैसे close की तरह this type of we have to not there is a this open curve. Okay, see here a curve that does not completely enclose an area is called as an open curve. See here this figure A, B, C. This figure A. See here there is a open area. It is called as a open curve. It is also this figure. It is also the open, so it is called as a open figure or open curve. And these are also the figures. It is also the open. It is not a enclosed. It is not a close at the end point. Okay, so it is called as a what? Open curve. It is called as a what? Open curve. Okay, so simple definition of this all the curve is what? Simple closed figure means that they are don't intersect. Closed curve means their whole part, their enclosed area, it is all closed. And open curve means there are a curve that does not completely enclose an area. It is called as a open curve. This is the three curves we have to given. Okay, student. Again, we have to give one their simple topic. Okay, so what you have to do? This all the curve definition with their figure you have to mention in your notebook. Okay, properly, and you have to read this. We have to given the test in your textbook detail about the information of curve. So you have to read properly. Okay, so our next topic is now next one is a next topic. Parts of a simple closed curve. Okay, this is a simple closed curve. Okay, student. So simple closed curve, there is some parts you have to give. See here which part. This figure, in this simple closed figure, we have to given this point A and B. Where is the point A and B? This point A and B is the inside, in the interior part of this region. It is this point A and B. It is called as it is the which part? Interior. Interior region. It is called as which region? Interior region. Okay, and this point C. See here, this point C, this point D. It is called as what? It is because this C and D is lie on the boundary of this region, this boundary of the figure. So that's why it is called as point C and D. It is the boundary of this region. Okay, because this point lie on the boundary. That's why it is called as the boundary of the region. And this point F and E, it is called as a what? This point F and E, it is called as a exterior region. Okay, because why it is called as exterior? Because this point F and E, it is lie on outside. Okay, so that's why it is called as the exterior. It is the inside is the interior, and this is the point lie on the boundary. It is called as the boundary of the region. Understand, student? Okay, this is the part of the simple closed curve. After that, student, region of the curve. One small, very small topic you have to given. What is the region of the curve? The interior of the curve together with the boundary. Means what? This is the interior part with boundary. It is called as a what? It is the region. It is called as the region of the curve. Understand, student? These types of we have to given the parts of a simple closed curve, and region means the what? Interior part with boundary. It is called as a region of the curve. Okay, so each and every one you have to all the points you have to note down in your notebook. Now next after that the parts of the simple closed figure we have to given the topic is a polygon. Okay, student, there is a general definition of the polygon is what? A simple closed figure joining by the line segment. Okay, simple closed figure joining by line segment. It is the simple definition of a polygon. But in our textbook we have given the definition of the polygon is what? A polygon is defined as a closed figure. A polygon is defined as a closed figure formed by line segment. Okay, किससे form होती है? By a line segment, such that there is a condition: no two line segment intersect each other. No two line segment intersect each other except at their end point. उसको end point को छोड़कर, there is a except at their end point. Okay, so this types of figure. Any two line segment intersect, it is intersecting? No. So this is the simple closed figure joining by line segment. It is called as a what? Polygon. Okay. Then see here, this is the figure of the polygon. There is a different polygons you have to given. Okay, there is a front part. After that, the next part of the you have to given in your table. After that, this B. See here this figure B. This is a closed figure, but it is a intersecting. Okay, it is a intersecting. Okay, so this figure B, it is not a polygon. इसको polygon बोलेगा, it is not a polygon. Okay, because of why? There is a two line segment are intersect. Okay, and our condition is the no two line segment are intersect. So that's why there is a simple definition. Yeah, suppose you have to not remember this definition. So what is that general definition of the polygon? Polygon means a simple closed figure joining three or more line segments. Okay, so this is the definition of the polygon. Okay. Now student, diagonal. Okay, diagonal of a polygon. So we have to learn about the diagonal. So first we have to know about the diagonal. What is meant by the diagonal? Diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. What is that? A line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. It is called as what? Diagonal. For example, I will draw here one polygon. Okay, so a line segment joining two non-consecutive. For example, this is the A, B, C, D. It is a polygon. Okay, so AC and BD. This AC and BD. It is the diagonal of a polygon. Understand, student? So diagonal means what? A line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. It is called as a diagonal. This is any you have to given the polygon, you have to draw there the diagonals. Okay, student? See here, student. Our next topic is a concave and convex polygon. Concave and convex, it is a new concept for you. Concave and convex polygon, which figure it is called as a concave and which figure it is called as a convex polygon. See here, student. I will draw here some figures. This figure, we have to given this figure. See here, in this figure, some diagonals, it is outside of the figure. Which diagonal जो है कहाँ पे है? Outside. This is the here AC and EC. Means the concave polygon means the diagonal lies outside of the polygon. It is called as a what? Concave polygon. Means जिस figures में diagonal outside area. Outside area में this is the outside thing. Then it is called as a what? Concave polygon. For example, this figure B and figure C. Sorry, A and B. It is called as a which polygon? Concave. Concave polygon. Concave polygon. Okay, student. And what is meant by the convex? Convex means the diagonals lies interior in the polygon. It is called as what? Convex polygon. Means जो भी diagonals figures के inside है, जो figure में diagonals inside है totally, we have to say that this figure it is called as a convex polygon. Okay, convex means the diagonals inside होने चाहिए and concave means diagonals outside होने चाहिए. It is the concave and convex polygon. Okay, so figure C and figure D, it is called as a what? Convex polygon. Okay, this is called as a what? Convex polygon. This is the concept of the concave and convex polygon. So we have to discuss about the what in this class? Curve, parts of the curve. After that polygon, then there is a parts convex, concave, and now after we have given the after this concept we have to given the try this 12.1. Okay, 12.1. Then what you do? It is all the concept first you have to note down in your notebook. After that, you have to solve this 12 first try this. Okay, it's what? when you have to solve this, try this, you have to definitely understand this all the concept. Very simple questions you have to given in this try this. Okay student, see here this try this. Very simple question you have to give. Okay, so each and every questions you have to solve in your maths notebook. Okay, and if you have any query, so ask me. Understand student? Thank you so much.